Hi there, you're welcome to Demi RX Gear channel. My name is Abidemi Adamson, and you're welcome to our channel where we talk about medications and how to use them properly.
All right, so our medication today is going to be Bactrim. Bactrim's generic name is Sulfamethoxazole with Trimethoprim. All right, and Bactrim is used to treat different infections such as UTI. It's also used to treat an infection called PCP, which is the pneumocystis pneumonitis, as well as traveler's diarrhea, ear infection, and various other infections as well. All right, so usually the Bactrim comes in two different doses, such as the 800/160 milligram or the 400/80 milligram, which is the single strength. The Bactrim is usually used for about 10 to 14 days, and it's normally used every 12 hours. All right, so what are some adverse effects to look out for while taking Bactrim? So first thing is Bactrim can cause photosensitivity, and this is where our skin is more sensitive to sunlight. So which means the patient might have an increased chance of having a sunburn. And also Bactrim can increase potassium. So usually in our patients who are having any potassium deficiency or excessive potassium, you want to take caution while taking Bactrim. All right, another common side effect of Bactrim is rash. So the rash might also present as an allergic reaction whereby you want to stop taking this medication and reach out to your prescriber if it does happen. Also, Bactrim can cause a syndrome called Stevens-Johnson syndrome, which is a severe allergic reaction where the skin typically burns off. And this presents, like I said, as an allergic reaction, and you want to stop this medication immediately if that occurs and seek emergency help. All right, another common side effect is nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, which is common usually with any antibiotic. Also, another common side effect is dizziness, as well as anorexia and renal failure. So our patients who have kidney issues want to take caution while taking this medication. Also, a common contraindication, which means the people that want to avoid taking this medication are patients who are pregnant, as well as patients who are breastfeeding and patients who have a sulfur allergy. This medication does contain a sulfur component to it, so you don't want to take it if you have a severe sulfur allergy. All right, so what are some tips that you need to know before taking Bactrim? So Bactrim is preferably taken on an empty stomach, usually 1 hour before meals or 2 hours after meal with a full glass of water, which is about 240 milliliters. All right, so you want to also make sure you're taking your complete course of therapy, which is if it's either 10 days or 14 days, you want to make sure that you're taking it for the complete number of days that this medication is prescribed in order for it to completely and effectively kill the bacteria. Also, you want to make sure that you're avoiding excessive sunlight while taking this medication in order to avoid any sunburn. Also, another important factor of this medication is that it can interact with a lot of other medications. So you want to make sure that you're checking with your healthcare professional to make sure that this medication does not interact with your condition or any other medication that you may be taking. All right, I hope this few tips was able to help you in terms of what to look out for while taking Bactrim, and we also look forward to seeing more of you in our following videos. All right, thank you and stay blessed.